All right, everyone, time for another trade of the week. So, again, as always, what we're doing every Monday is I'm just giving you one of the trades that I've triggered from the StatsEdge trading system, where one of the ones that I think looks okay and could potentially take a trade off of. If you like these, if they're working out for you, again, make sure you share these videos along. I'll continue to keep doing them. But if you want more, there's been like 5 swing trades, another 5 or 6 day trades that have gone off today. Make sure you come on over to Stats Edge Trading and sign up there. So, without further ado, let's just pop into it here, and I'm going to take a look at this space SPCE Virgin Galactics. I thought it went bankrupt, but it looks like it's coming back now. So, could be one of those more crazy or speculative meme stocks. Technically, this one hasn't triggered, but you can see the purple line right here. You can see the price. So maybe by the time this video gets to you guys, it will. But this is from the pullback strategy. So our whole thing at Stats Edge is that we run multiple strategies. We have trend following or like momentum kind of continuation strategies. We have pullback strategies where we're looking for something that was really strong last week to come in this week. And we have mean reverting strategies, which is just we think this is a little bit overdone to the downside. We want to buy it and catch a little bit of a bounce in it. SPCE is from that pullback strategy. So you can see how explosive this has been from the bottom of $2.18 all the way up to 205% return. And then it's starting to pull back here and looks like it could be hitting this. The reason I like the look of this one, as opposed to, or I guess on top of some of the other ones that are through here as well, just from a technical look, is you can see this 450 was resistance back here and resistance back here as well. So there might be people who are short against this 450. Again, if you zoom out, this is $1,000 a share. It's not something I expect to go for a long period of time, but it is pulling back here nicely. And again, the trading rules behind this is that our stop will be roughly in the $3 type area, and we will close next Monday. So the idea is that we want to hold these for roughly a week. That is the tested period that I've done that shows the best kind of risk adjusted return is about a 1 week hold, and then we just get out and we move on to the next one. So the beauty of that is we've kind of developed this cycle of open up some trades, let them go for a week, close them down, look for the next thing, and do that over and over and over again. So this pullback again to 450, lining up with this prior high right here and one that I saw before that, with a stop loss down here. And then again, we're holding for about a week, and then we will just be out of the position then. If we're up, if we're down, we're just out and we move on. That's why these stop losses are pretty wide, because we're rarely looking for those to get hit. Most times, like 90 some odd percent of the time, this time stop is hit, which means that enough time goes by that we want to get out of that position. So yeah, this nice little pullback here, and then looking for a continuation move just after that.